Olga?
Weather coverage you can count on with meteorologist Olga Breese and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
We are enjoying a calm night. Temperatures have dropped significantly. We're starting to see 30s, 39 for Decatur, mostly the middle range and lower 40s across the board, but the skies are clear and the winds are fairly light. At Huntsville right now, we're looking at clear skies and 45 degrees, feeling like 41. We have a little bit of a wind chill working there, but winds are gentle, about 2 to 5 miles per hour. The cold air is going to stay with us. However, when you wake up tomorrow morning, you will see a lot of sunshine, and then the clouds will gradually increase, and that's a signal that the front is getting closer and closer. For tonight, though, we're quiet. Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network shows no action, but things will be very different by about 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So here's what we're tracking. A cold night tonight, followed by sunshine tomorrow, and then building clouds and rain opportunities through the afternoon and evening hours. Some of those storms could be strong to severe. Then behind that front, we're left with much cooler air, so a bit of a cool down before we turn around our temperatures later in the week. Here's what you need to know for tomorrow's planning. The morning hours are just fine. Even 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and 2 o'clock for most of us will be just fine. But as we move in toward that 3 o'clock hour, we're going to start to see the rain begin to develop. Rain chances ramp up around rush hour. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock dinner time, we're looking at some stormy weather coming in our direction. One of our biggest concerns will be with the winds pushing through. So the planner for overnight tonight is not a bad one. It will be cool for the next several hours, but the severe weather threat is definitely there. More of a threat off toward our western counties where you see the darkest shaded orange colors. Most of us are in the level 2 threat area for much of the region, and then to the west, not as healthy a threat, but all of us will see the potential for some damaging winds. So our main concerns are excess rain. A lot of rainfall at high rates during a very short period of time could lead to some localized flooding. We can also see many gusty winds. There are no wind alerts as of yet, but I do expect those to be popping up as we head in toward the midday hours tomorrow. And then for tomorrow, tornado chance is there. It is slight, but it is there, and we want you to be weather aware. Now, we could use some of this rain coming on through. We've been in a drought to near drought situation for much of the fall, and as our future radar shows, the heaviest rain that we're expecting will be during those overnight hours tomorrow night and into Wednesday morning. Heavy downpours and gusty winds, and again, some localized flooding. The front does move through fairly quickly. By 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock in the morning, we're starting to see a break in the cloud cover. The sunshine comes right back, but the cold air remains in place throughout the day on Wednesday, so it will be a rather chilly day. How much rain are we talking about? Most of us will see about an inch. There are a few areas, especially across some of our southern zones there, that could see up to 1.5 inches, but it is the wind gusts that are going to be very problematic. We are talking about winds above 30, 40, even 50 mile per hour wind gusts are not out of the question. So the 7-day forecast gives us a little bit of a challenge from Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday morning. But once we get behind that front, things start to calm down. Very chilly start early on Thursday morning. We'll hold our temperatures below average for Thursday. However, Friday and Saturday, we start to turn the corner. And yes, we will introduce a new rain chance coming up this weekend. Stay with us. We'll be right back.